Hey everybody, welcome back to Kids and Trading. Today is December 27th. It's Friday, and let's just go through the watch list today. Boy, it was a tough day. I'm going to start right with the two that I thought would be okay to hold on to today. That's FNGU and TQQQ. But boy, oh boy, they started out terrible along with most of the market. I mean, look at all these bullish ETFs. Anything with the green is a bullish one, and I actually kind of think gold is a little contrarian. It really behaves more like a bullish ETF than a bearish one, even though it is actually bearish. But anyway, jumping right into FNGU. Yesterday it looked okay. It looked like it was gonna hang in there, but then today, solid volume, kind of average. It just started out so low. You never want to see this where it just plummeted. My cat's trying to climb on my lap. Hang on a minute. Oh, kitty. Yeah, so most of the ETFs did this today, the bullish ones anyway. They just kind of started out falling rapidly, and they came back a little bit, but closed with sort of a doji looking situation. I don't trust it. I got out. Unfortunately, I got out probably near the low of the day instead of waiting towards the end of the day because I had no faith in this at all. Tough end of the year, boy. I may not try to trade anything now until we hit January 2nd. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know if there's going to be anything that looks like a really high quality setup. Let me go over to TQQQ, and it looks pretty similar to FNGU. Same idea, just crushed in the beginning of the day. So in a day like today, there's not much you can do. I mean, to me, the learning experience and the education you get from it is, okay, I probably need to look for more high quality setups, right? Like, I'm not going to just jump into anything that looks decent now. I'm thinking, okay, this is premature. I should have waited a little longer. Even though it had good volume on this day here on December 23rd. And then I considered Christmas Eve sort of like a follow-through day with the new uptrend, but such low volume. The holidays kind of make everything crazy. The market's so weird right now too. Like, we've had this extended uptrend for so long. I mean, this is only going back to July, but I mean, it was most of the year. And now I kind of wonder. I know there's a lot of profit taking probably going on. People are cashing out end of the year. Who knows? But I think things need to stabilize more before I feel comfortable jumping back into anything. At least anything bullish at the moment. I mean, it's crazy. So let's jump down to anything that looks like it had a decent day at least. But again, like, this one already ran, so that's no good. ERX starting to come up, but closed near the low. That's no good. This is just sideways. FAZ, a lot of volume, but didn't really move. GDXD didn't really do much of anything. SDAO, same. They're all kind of at an indecision point right now. They're all kind of closed near lows, and kind of like right in the middle of the bar. This one didn't do too bad, TMV. So 20-year Treasury bear. I wouldn't be buying this, but I would be looking for confirmation. We're already well into the uptrend, so I wouldn't want to be taking a chance on it there. I would have probably, let's see, the volume's pretty low here. Maybe around here if I saw this like sort of 3 days in a row up quite a bit. Maybe taking a stab at it, but even that doesn't look great. Success, like, see these, I mean, this thing was up 2.73% today, but it doesn't really look it. It looks ugly. ZSL, not doing much there. Yang, I'm just gonna run through these real quick. I think today's gonna be a pretty quick day. There's just not much to say. SQQQ, no. Good volume, but again, everything's kind of closing with dojis. Not a good sight. Very much indecision happening in the market right now. FNGD. The volume's really been picking up on this. Cause for concern. Boyle did okay. We got all these single stock ETFs that are struggling today. APD. Trying to hold back a sneeze right now, like fighting off a cold. Let's see. Yeah, nothing here was good. MSFD was interesting. It gapped up and closed at the low. So, real quick day today. I'm not even going to go into the spreadsheet. There's not much to show. So basically, I am out of the market entirely right now. It probably would have been in my best interest to stay out of the market before Christmas, but I took some chances and I got burned. It's what happens. So hopefully that didn't happen to you, and hopefully going forward things will get better. But we'll see what happens next week in the new year, and maybe things will pick up. Maybe things will become clearer anyway, because this is as clear as mud. So until next time, thanks everybody. See ya.